Google Meet is a video conferencing and meeting platform developed by Google. It allows users to join, schedule, and host video meetings and conferences with others, both inside and outside of their organization. To use Google Meet, users must have a Google account. Once they logged in, they can create a meeting by clicking on the Meet button in the Google Calendar or by visiting the Google Meet website. Users can also join a meeting by clicking on a link or entering a meeting code provided by the organizer. In a meeting, users can see and hear each other in real time, share their screens, and use the chat feature to communicate. They can also record the meeting for future reference. Meetings can be joined from a computer or mobile device, and it also supports dial-in phone numbers for those who cannot join via video. Google Meet also has a feature for recording meeting for later use. Also, it has integration with Google Calendar, Gmail, and Google Classroom, which makes it easy to schedule and join meetings. It also provides the ability to control access to the meeting, mute participants, and other security features. Google Meet is widely used by remote teams, students, educators, businesses, and individuals to communicate, collaborate, and stay connected. It offers various pricing plans, including a free version with limited features, and paid plans with more advanced features and larger meeting capacities.